Hello everyone, thank you for choosing the COMFEE 1.6 washing machine. It is portable, fully automatic and multifunctional. You can use it to free your hands so you can spend more time enjoying life. Let the dishwasher do the magic for you. You really deserve it. In order to ensure good performance of our washing machine, I would like to share some installation and usage tips. Before installation, please prepare pliers for unpacking and a Phillips screwdriver for fixing the screw on the bottom cover. When you open the package, you can find some accessories: owner's manual, water supply hoses, water intake cap, quick connection adapter, bottom cover and screws. Next, let's turn our focus on the washing machine. Its dimensions are 20.3 times 36.6 times 20.7 inches. It's equipped with wheels, which will be convenient for you to use in various places. Our 1.6 washing machine has 3 temperature modes. If you use the cold mode, you can connect the cold water inlet hose only. The hot water hose is not necessary. If you need to use the warm or hot mode of this machine, please make sure to connect the cold water inlet hose and the hot water inlet hose. Now let's look at the drain hose of the machine. It can be positioned in 3 different places: over the edge of a wash basin, in a standpipe, or in a laundry tub. Please ensure you hang the drain hose from a height of 32 to 39 inches from the ground. After connecting the hose, please adjust the feet to make the machine level in order to reduce noise when washer is running. Now open the lid. If you find some water left in the drum, please don't worry. This is because we test our washing machines before launch to ensure quality. We recommend running a test cycle for a deep clean before use. Everything is ready. Let's start the laundry. Please avoid putting your laundry on one side of the washer. Don't forget to put detergent or softener in the left compartment. Close the lid and start. If you want to know more about program selection, please refer to the manual. When you use it, if you require any technical guidance or find that your washing machine is not operating as intended, the following are commonly seen error codes and solutions. E1 error indicates insufficient water intake. Please check if the water hose is connected correctly and if the machine is leaking. Please make sure the water valve is open and the drain hose is hung at a height of 32 to 39 inches from the ground. E2 error indicates that the water didn't drain out absolutely. Please check if the drain hose is blocked, bent, or hanging too high. E3 error indicates that the cover is not properly closed. Please close the cover and press the start button to continue. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service. We are always here for help. Thanks for watching. Bye.